Yeah.
No, when you're driving this, it's awful. Yeah.
Pull over in the middle of the highway.